I'll simply touch up my hair, apply lipstick, and that should be it. I don't want to make up, but let me just put a little brush on my cheek, a little bit of it. I always love to mix up. Then I will use NYX. Hello lovers, welcome to another video. It's your girl Sharon. Thanks for your time. I appreciate it so much. I hope you're doing great. In today's video, I'm here to review. It's all about another review. The lighting here is not that good. Let's manage it, okay? If you're new here, welcome. This channel is all about fashion, travel, and a little bit of me. I do lots of product reviews here. I review products that works for me, mainly product that works for me. If you are all about those, don't forget to subscribe, turn on your notification bell so you don't miss any video from me. In today's video, Coco Mademoiselle by Chanel. Coco Mademoiselle Fresh Body Moisture Mist. Let's start from the packaging of this product. I have been using. Let me try this on camera for you lovelies. Okay, I love the packaging. It speaks to me. This speaks clean. This speaks clean, slick. Look at this. All right, they did a good job with the packaging. This one is 100 ml. Let's try this just for the purpose of this video. It comes out nicely. If you ask me, oh my god, oh my god, if you know Coco Mademoiselle, if you use Coco Mademoiselle, you will know where I'm coming from. All right, Coco Mademoiselle, if you don't know, if you're new to this channel, it's my signature fragrance. I always love to add that every day. If I'm using any perfume, I must add Coco Mademoiselle. Getting this, you should not be surprised. I love Coco Mademoiselle. To what I think about this body mist, fresh moisture body mist, what you get here is simply the modern notes of Coco Mademoiselle fragrance. That's it. Okay, I would say this is beautiful for everyday use, which is why I love Coco Mademoiselle. I wear it to work. Any fragrance I can't wear to work, to me, I wouldn't say it's good enough for me to buy. If I don't wear them to work, why am I getting it? I work every day, so I should get something that is for everyday use. This one stays on my body for a very long time. I would say this is very good. I love the fact that this is so fresh. So fresh. You can wear this at night. It's perfect for day and night. All right, so fresh. I'll always thank Chanel for Coco Mademoiselle. is a very good jam if you ask me. Very good. This fresh body moisture mist did it. I did it just like the perfume. I love them. If you love to, smell fresh, go for this. Go for this. This one is, I will say, if you can't get the perfume, you think the price is much for you, you can as well use this one and be good. The fresh body moisture mist is still, it smells just like the perfume. I love the fact that it's less offensive. It's something you can, wear to work. People will simply ask you, what are you wearing? It's not loud and it smells very good. It's just giving. I'll keep saying this, can't stop saying this. It's a lovely spray. If you ask me, I'll say you get a lot for your money right here. It's affordable if you ask me. Yeah, where you can get this from fragrance shops. You can get this from Nordstrom. You can easily get it online from their website. Can get this from. It's stunning and it's perfect for those days you don't want to wear, very rich scent. This is it. Yeah, just a little bit to the skin and you're good to go. You don't need to spray too much. Just a little bit into the skin and you are good to go. Perfect for summer. This is good for summertime. For me, I don't understand that because I wear Coco Mademoiselle spring, summer, for winter. Okay, that's how much I love it. If you really want that light, you know, is perfect. Smells true to the scent. I will look up the price and put it on the screen for you, lovelies. Overall, I love this. I love this. I love Coco Mademoiselle perfume and the moisture mist. This really moisturizes as well as giving you that fresh scent. The scent also has good lasting power, which is all we need. If you have this, you don't even need the perfume because this smells just like that. I will recommend this. I will recommend this. Go for this if you can. It's a good one. I recommend. If you made it this far, thank you so much for watching. And until next time, I will see you, lovelies. Bye for now.